Injuries of arteries, contusion of arteries, commonly seen in crush injuries of the limb, usually found in the intima, associated with intimal tear and thrombus formation, traumatic arterial spasm, vasospasm of a small and medium-sized arteries such as a coronary or carotid. Cerebral arteries may occur due to toxin, ergot, alkaloid, cocaine, endothelial damage from external trauma or venipuncture, cold or emotion, Raynaud's phenomenon, excessive release of intrinsic vasoconstrictor, histamine, and prostaglandin. However, there remains much contention over the existence of a trauma-induced arterial spasm. In the absence of arterial wall damage, it has been proposed that it may arise from as a result of external mechanical stimulation caused by bone fragments or transmitted shock wave. Trauma to large arteries of the limb, example brachial or femoral arteries, known to produce immediate localized arterial spasm by producing contusion or a partial or complete rupture of the arterial wall. Post-traumatic pseudoaneurysm, trauma example by blunt instrument, blunt bone fragment bullet. Perivascular hematoma form in surrounding tissue, blood coagulate at the periphery, organizes central portion becomes remains fluid. If a direct communication, communication occurs between the traumatized artery and the centralized fluid portion of hematoma, a pseudoaneurysm may form. This aneurysm may gradually increase in size, rupture, and massive hemorrhage and death of that patient. True traumatic aneurysm may occur when outer coat of a large artery is injured. Tangential bullet injury of a vessel. Traumatic arteriovenous fistula formation can form after penetrating wound of a limb. Example from a pointed weapon or bullet passing through an artery and accompanying vein. Blood flow. If the fistula is large and situated at the proximal part of a large limb artery, considerable amount of blood may leak into accompanying vein. Consequences in arterial pressure and increase in venous pressure, progressive cardiac decompensation, death, impairment of blood flow in a limb causes arterial thrombosis and embolism. Arteriovenous fistula, traumatic aneurysm, true and false. Traumatic arterial spasm, consequences, muscle necrosis and gangrene. Necrosed muscles become fibrosed, contraction and deformities, that is Volkmann's ischemic contracture. Most common contracture are in a forearm and hand due to occlusion of the brachial artery. Sensory and motor nerve endings are destroyed within 6 to 8 hours as they are highly susceptible to ischemia. Skin takes about 24 hours to become necrosed. Injuries of the veins. Wounds of pulmonary veins are rapidly fatal. Inferior vena cava may be torn transversely by severe trauma. Injury to vein may result in contusion of walls and tearing of intima. Thrombus formation may get dislodged. Pulmonary embolism. Open wound of a limb. Laceration of a large vein. Pulmonary air embolism. If there is extensive damage to adipose tissue, causes a fat embolism. Thank you.